Hi guys, welcome to this course where I'm gonna teach you everything you need to write copy that sells, influences your visitors, and pushes them to take action. So when you have to sell a product online and you have to write a sales page, usually you don't really know where to start, and it's normal. It's something that you can learn. I can tell you that I've been teaching people how to make money online, how to build online businesses since 2010, and I've seen the same mistake over and over and over again, where people tell me, hey, I have this sales page and it's not making any sale. My first question is always, have you actually learned? Have you actually studied about copywriting, about how to write sales pages? And the answer is always no. And I tell them, well, it's like driving a car, it's not that hard, but you need to learn how to do it, So let me tell you a story. I started.
Hey, visit the link in the description to access the full course for free limited time only. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.